Hello students, today we'll deal one of the famous case regarding contract that is named as Carlick versus Carbolic Smoke Ball Company. It emphasized the significance of offer and acceptance in contract law and also distinguish between offers and invitation to trade. So what are the facts of the case? In this case, the defendant, that is the Carlick Smoke Ball Company, placed an advertisement in a newspaper for their products, which also said that any person who purchased and used their product but still contracted influenza despite properly following the instruction would be entitled of a euro 100 reward. The advert further stated that a company has demonstrated its sincerity by placing euro 1000 in a bank account to act as a reward. The claimant, Mrs. Carlyle, thus purchased some smoke balls and despite proper use contracted influenza. Then she said that I contracted influenza after using your product, so I am you are liable to pay me the amount of euro 100. The defendant contended that they could not be bound by the advent as it was an invitation to trade rather than an offer, that it was an only invitation to trade but not a offer, on the grounds that the advert was mere puff and lacking true intent that an offer could be made to the whole world. So the claimant had not technically provided acceptance. The wording of the advert was insufficiently precise. Then what was the issue in this case? Whether the advert in question constituted an offer or an invitation to trade. Then the court held that the Court of Appeal found it for the claimant, determining that the advert amounted to the offer for a unilateral contract by the defendants. In completing the conditions stipulated by the advert, Mrs. Carlyle provided acceptance. The court further found that the advert's own claim to sincerity negated the company's assertion of lacking intent. Then an offer could indeed be made to the world. Wording need only be reasonably clear to imply terms rather than entirely clear, and consideration was identifiable in the use of balls.